Swipe Visa Card. The Swipe Visa Debit Card is a dual-interface NFC, EMV physical card, and 3 of the 4 can do ATM cash withdrawals. That means users can choose from among 4 optional card tiers, with different percentages of rewards: Saffron, Sky, Steel, and Slate. Users can get cashback by shopping on Netflix, Apple Music, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. Get extra cashback rewards for Travala, Uber, Starbucks, and Airbnb. The entry-level card costs $25, and there is no requirement to stake the tokens. You get 1% cashback paid in Bitcoins. Sky offers 2% cashbacks, and is a must to stake 300 SXP. With the Steel option, you get 4% cashbacks, and must stake 30,000 SXP to get the card. Users can earn more rewards by spending SXP tokens, which can be used on Ethereum and Binance Chain. Users can stake the token to earn staking rewards. Features: integration with Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay to allow users to pay for goods and services with the card. Get 1 to 5% cashback, 10 to 100% on specific purchases. No option to load with fiat. Supports 7 cryptocurrencies that can be loaded for spending with the card. When you stake tokens to get the cards, the lockup period is 6 months. Fees: Steel and Slate users do not pay foreign transaction fees, others do. $25 to $50 to get cards in addition to staking costs. You must stake the platform tokens to get some card tiers. 2% foreign transaction exchange fees apply.